Hey y'all, welcome to another video from WreckingOut.com. So I'm a couple days late getting this video out because I've been in the tree stand. I got inspired to actually make this short video around how I do all day sits because the rut's coming up. I actually do low carb right now, so these are some of my choice snacks. But how I snack silently is I use these muslin bags. So the loudest part of getting to the tree stand is obviously the packaging. So I take all my food out and I prepackage it in these muslin bags. You can see a link in the blog post. And this allows me to, as long as I'm not eating something like chips, which are really crunchy, I can basically keep the noise down. So I'll eat nuts, some bacon jerky, and these are some Fat Snacks cookies. So I just put those all in muslin bags, put those in the top of my pack, and then the only thing I need to do is get water or sometimes coffee. So I love this little thing. It's an adapter that allows you to put a water bottle onto your water bladder. So all you need to do is put this thing on, slide it on to the water valve, and then turn the water bottle upside down, and it drains right into your pack. I don't know if you've ever put a bladder in another way, but it can be really messy and get everything wet. This is just a really easy way to do it. The other thing is I got this from when I first had a kid. This is tactical baby gear, but it also has pal strapping, and it was meant for holding bottles. I put my coffee in it. I like cold coffee, and this straps right to my pack. So a couple tips for eating silently in the stand. Hope that helps y'all as you get out there during the rut. Thanks.